Hello, welcome back to vlog number 6. For the past few weeks we've been back in Durban at varsity, so we just decided to come up to a place called Eagles View for the weekend.
So we just got to Eagles View and we've got this whole campsite to ourselves this weekend, which is absolutely insane. So I hope you enjoyed the cinematics. We found 2 waterfalls in like around 500-meter walk, and this is the second one here.
Today we are unboxing the Titan 110 Kettle Bry, and it's blue, baby. Oh, nice. Okay, looks like we're gonna need some tools.
We didn't pack.
Unfortunately, we don't have the tools.
If you guys are confused, we just bought this on the way here, so now we don't have tools. No, you did that. What color is it?
It's blue. And that's it for this week's vlog. We had an awesome time exploring around this beautiful campsite, which you can find the link to in the description below.
See you next week as we travel down to the south coast. This time we're searching for waves, not waterfalls. Subscribe below to follow us along the way.